Hey everyone, a very auspicious morning to all of you. Today, guys, I decided to make a small video in the morning because I got myself ready a little bit early for my school. So there's still few minutes, so I thought, okay, let's make a video and let's share something fantastic. So, my dear and lovely friends, first of all, I want to ask you that are you also someone who is mispronouncing some words in English? As you know that we all are here for English, of course. So, if I talk about myself honestly, so means before creating my channel, before starting my journey, there were many words which I mispronounced. And if I talk honestly about when I was student, so I was just being taught like this. So the word like a flower, as in my childhood, and even not in childhood, after my schooling, college, I was just pronouncing it flower, and Wednesday, and bowl, bowl of rice, like this. So little by little I got to know, like, no, it's the correct pronunciation is flowers, not flower, and it's not bowl, it's bowl, and also it's not Wednesday, it Wednesday. So like this, and also about was, were, and still some of students are sometimes mispronouncing it like where. So being a teacher, I always just try my level best to my student, for my student to pronounce the word correctly. So little by little I'm also learning, and still some words are there which I'm not getting the correct pronunciation. So whenever I'm getting any confusion, so I'm just simply searching from Google. So you have to also do the same thing whenever you are just because if we are going to speak English, our pronunciation must be correct. And sometimes I am also just not pronouncing the word correctly. And if I talk about this word pronunciation, so some people are also just mispronouncing it, like pronunciation. It's not pronunciation, it's a pronunciation. So these small things I just learned sometime from my friends, from any people from my surrounding, from YouTube. And just because you are from on YouTube also, there's a lots of accurate and eloquent English speaker. So whenever you are getting any confusion in pronunciation, so for it, how can you improve your pronunciation, I'm going to talk about. So for improving your pronunciation, you need to watch someone who is very good at English, who is advanced speaker, if not advanced, accurate speaker. If you are listening to native speakers, so this is also great thing, because native speakers are also just pronouncing all the words correctly. So this is the thing, little by little I got to know, and still some words are there which are being mispronounced by me. But whenever I get any new words, so personally I'm just focusing on pronunciation only. And Google is the best option to search or to find anything over there easily. Friend, sometimes I'm just realizing about the student who are just studying in English medium school. Nowadays, most of the students and most of the parents, just they are sending their kids to English medium school. So this is the best and great opportunity for them, just because they are getting English environment from their school, and they are also having teachers who are able to make them understand about English speaking, who are just able to make them realize the importance of English language. And when we were students, so we were just lacking this environment. That's why our English was not so much good. It was poor. But I'm not telling that our teacher didn't teach us properly. Of course, they just taught us properly, but this is not their fault that they were also mispronouncing some words, like as I mentioned these words in English. So we were just mispronouncing. So why? Just because we were listening from our teachers, from everyone. So we were doing the same thing. And nowadays, if you are parents, if you are teachers, so if you are focusing on your communication skill, if you are focusing on your pronunciation, everything, so of course your kids and your students, they are also just listening and observing, because you don't need to teach them, you don't need to make them understand or learn. They are automatically learning each and every day, each and every moment, whatever they are listening, whatever they are observing from you, from elders, from parents, from teachers. So this is the thing. So nowadays I sometimes I am realizing that the kids of nowadays generation, they are smart enough and they are lucky, just because they are having this environment. So in future, of course, they will not be facing any problem in English personally, as we faced problem a lot. And after completing schooling, college, nowadays in this age we are learning English and we are just trying to speak English. So this is also great thing and great achievement for us. We are also like center of motivation from our kids. And sometimes I'm just also encouraging my student and son also, that when I was a student like you, so I was not getting environment like you at all, but still look, I'm just speaking nowadays, so only due to my passion, due to my hard work. And if you are getting completely English environment at your home, in your school, so you should speak and be more be smarter than me. So this is the thing. So my dear and lovely friends, now my time is going to up and I have to go to school. Bye bye, take care, enjoy your day, enjoy your English.